voina hian latest tech news chungchang kalau shil don chewani Poco launch teaser Poco in hing anlo pedonani Poco hi a new version alo thengne trap to ani ti hemi teaser antilanga chuan Poco season 2 episode 1 hi kan enchinang February Poco hian englam nge minlo muang ti India voin khan Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite chu unlaunch ani chuta chuan two variants oma 6GB 128GB le 8GB 128GB hemi model hian S Pen po available ani February ni thumatang hian online le offline ate leitur kan modon ani Qualcomm company hoin new processor chu an announce ani heta processor hi Snapdragon 720Z Snapdragon 662 le Snapdragon 460 te heng processor ate hian Wi-Fi 6 ani don ani better 4G connectivity kan modon ani chuan Bluetooth version 5.1 nen MI router 4C chu India unlaunch to ane aman hi zakwa somkwa pakwa ane a hemi for omni directional high performance antenna amu thayane chuan speed za the zathum Mbps ane India Oppo Reno 3 hi anron launch trap to ane Oppo Reno 3 Pro a display hi dual selfie camera ani don ani chuan hi wall sa 44MP plus 2MP camera ma saber ani don ani tiangang latest tech news chungchang en reng theinan kan channel hi minlo subscribe sakla bell icon po in met tel ngal bok donya